Hello, good morning, children. Snehal ma'am back again for the computers class. So let us start with our computers class. Children, what are we learning these days in computers? Yes, you remember we are learning about the role of computer. Yes, the work of computer at different places. What all activities does a computer perform at different places? So we learnt that computer does multiple work, multiple jobs at different places. Yes, and in that we studied about the role of computers at schools, homes, hotels and shops, offices, banks, and also we studied about the role of computers at airports and at railway stations. So this way we studied that computer helps us a lot at different places to do our work. Yes, and also computer makes our work easy to do. We also learned that computer does different works at different places. Yes, the role of computer at school is different than that of the role of computers at home. Similarly, the role of computers in banks is different from that of role of computers in offices and in airports and railway stations. Yes, so this way we come to know that computer does different works at different places. Now today we are going to learn about the role of computers in hospitals. So just like computer performing different works at different places, computer performs multiple works in hospitals also. Yes. So let us learn about the role of computers in hospitals one by one. Okay. Look at the picture, children. What do you see? What are the doctors doing? Yes, by looking at the picture, you might understand that doctors are studying a human body. Yes, a human skeleton. Okay, so this X-ray is being formed with the help of computers. Okay, so computer helps doctors to scan, to see the inner parts. Yes, to see the inner structure of a human body. Okay, it means what? Computer helps doctors to scan, to see the inner parts of a human body. Yes, and then doctors are able to detect what disease does a human being have. Okay, so this way doctors make use of computers to scan a human body to find out what disease does he have. Yes, from what disease is the person suffering. Now let's look at the second picture, children. What do you see? So, do you see a nurse and a receptionist in the picture? Yes, and the receptionist is making a use of computers. Yes. So for what purpose she might be using a computer, children? She is using the computer to keep a record of all the visitors, all the patients, yes, who visit their hospital. Okay, so this way, receptionist, a nurse is keeping a track of, is keeping a record of all the people who visit the hospital, all the patients who visit the hospital. Okay, now let's look at the next picture. Yes, and in this picture, what do you see? Do you see doctor performing operation? Yes, but doctor is using computer to perform the operation. Yes. And how computer is performing an operation? Computer is using robotic arms. Yes, computer is using robotic arms to perform an operation. Okay. Okay, now let's look at the next picture. Oh, so in this picture, what do you see, children? A doctor is preparing a medical report. Yes. Just like your teacher prepares a report card. Yes. So what do you see in your report card? You see your marks for all the subjects. Yes. And the comments which your ma'am must be putting up in that. Okay. So similarly here doctor prepares a medical report. Okay. Just like your teacher prepares report card, doctors prepare medical reports for the patients. Okay. And there what do they write? In the medical report, doctor mentions the details about your illness. Yes, the details about your disease. What medicine should be given, what is low in your body, okay, what precautions to be taken, and all these details. Okay, children, so these are some of the main work, some of the main jobs that a computer performs in hospitals. Okay? Okay, now let's move on to the next place. And the next place where computers are used is designing. So, computers are used in designing cars, aeroplanes and other machines. Okay, and who designs this? Engineers. Okay, so engineers, before manufacturing, before really making up the machines or the cars, the aeroplanes, first what do? They first just design that, okay, or draw that using the computer. Okay, and then once the drawing is final, then they really manufactures it, okay, really makes that machine. Yes. Similarly, computer also helps in creating and designing animations. Animation means your cartoons. Yes, Chota Bheem, Pokemon and all. Okay, those are also created and designed using the computer. Yes, so computer helps in creating and designing this animation cartoons, then movies. Yes, the movies which you see, and the advertisements also which you see on your TV. Okay, so all these are first designed using the computer system. Okay, then computer also helps in designing the buildings. Yes, and who design the buildings and houses? Architects. Okay, architects are the people who design the building and the houses. Okay, so first of all, what do? Before manufacturing, before constructing a building, Okay, the architect first of all draws a rough picture for the building or the house. Okay, and then after that real building gets constructed. Okay. Okay children, so did you understand how the computer is used in designing purpose? Yes, computer is used in designing buildings. Okay, then computer also is used in designing cars, aeroplanes, different machines. Then computer also is used in designing the animations, movies, advertisements. Okay, I hope you all are understanding. Okay children, now let's see the next place where computers are used, and the next place is in publishing. Yes, so in publishing, computer helps in printing newspapers, magazines, books and pamphlets. Okay, now our book, yes, our computer textbook is also designed and printed using the computer itself. Yes, first of all it was designed using a computer. Yes, and then it got printed using the computer. Similarly, computer also helps in e-publishing of books. Yes, e-publishing means E stands for electronic. Yes, so computer helps in electronic publishing. It means what? You can read the books, you can read the newspapers, magazines using the computer. Okay, it means what? You get to read the books, newspapers and magazines on your machine. Okay, on your computer system. So that is called as e-publishing of books. I hope you all understood children. Yes? Okay. So like this we will be learning more about different places, okay, where the computers are used. Okay. So in the next class we will be learning about the role of computers in scientific research and defense. Okay, then we will also be learning about the role of computers in communication and in transportation and in different places. Okay, but in the next class. Yes, so bye everyone, take care, have a good day.